A. What events are scheduled in May? B. We have a sports day and a field trip in May. A. Which one are you looking forward to most? B. I'm looking forward to the sports day most. I'm going to be on a soccer team. A. Look at the posters for school clubs. Which club do you want to join? B. I'm interested in making robots, so I want to join the robot club. What are you interested in? A. I'm interested in drawing cartoons. I'm thinking of joining the cartoon club. A. What would you put as number 1 on your list? B. Act in a play. I'm always interested in movies. I want to be an actor someday. A. Do you have any ideas about how you can do it? B. First, I'm going to join a drama club. Then, I'm going to try out for every play. A. Good ideas. I hope to see you acting in a play someday. Dreams do not come true just because you dream them. It's time to pay for it by doing something for the world. Most people believe that everyone should be treated equally regardless of gender or race. It is hard work that makes things happen and creates change. Hard work makes things happen and creates change. My uncle bought his new car from our neighbor last Saturday. It was my uncle that bought his new car from our neighbor last Saturday. It was a new car that my uncle bought from our neighbor last Saturday. It was from our neighbor that my uncle bought his new car last Saturday. It was last Saturday that my uncle bought his new car from our neighbor. It will happen to you when you become successful. Billy is going to stay in our house while we are away. I will wait here until the rain is over. We won't be able to go out if it rains. A. Do you think animals can predict an earthquake? B. I think so. According to a news report, elephants swing their trunks wildly before an earthquake. A. Really? That's very interesting. A. To get along well with other people, what quality do you think is needed? B. I think good communication skills are necessary. I'm quite certain. A. What makes you think so? B. While we live or work with other people, we face many problems. To solve them, it's important to listen to others carefully and express one's thoughts well. A. Now that you mention it, I'm sure that's very important. A. I suggest that our class make it a rule to sing a song before the class begins. B. Is there any reason for you to want to add it to our list? A. When we come to school in the early morning, we are half asleep. So if we start the day with a happy song, it might be a lovely day. B. That's a good idea. I'm quite sure that starting a day with a happy song would make our school day great. A. Then what rule do you want to suggest? To foster cooperative success among humans, we should look to nature for inspiration. When there are a few ants moving in a single direction, some ants are likely to move slowly, some fast, and others even faster. Darwin's survival of the fittest is regarded as a simple reality in the game of life. Have you ever observed ants marching in and out of a nest? I felt something approaching from my back. Cf. I felt something approach from my back. He heard his old nickname called among the crowd in the street. If so, it may have reminded you of a highway packed with cars. It seems you had a hard time, but it must have been quite an experience. I cannot see Susan at the party. I should have arrived an hour ago. Daniel is an honest boy. He cannot have told a lie. A. Let's choose one of these foods on the menu. B. Okay. I prefer spicy Korean food, so I'll try bibimbap. What about you? A. Well, I don't like spicy food. I like Italian food, so I'll have the original pizza. A. I have a habit of biting my nails. I don't know what to do to break this bad habit. B. Why don't you chew gum or eat candy? Then your mouth will be too busy, so you won't bite your nails. A. That's a good idea. Thank you. A. What did you eat yesterday? B. I had bread and milk for breakfast. I ate rice, fried fish, and kimchi for lunch and pizza and salad for dinner. A. Well, you didn't eat any fruit. I think you should eat some fruit. How about water? Did you drink enough water yesterday? B. I drank about a glass of water. And as I prefer soda to water, I drank 3 cans of soda. A. Drinking too many sugary drinks is not good for your health. Why don't you drink at least 4 cups of water a day instead of soda? B. Okay. I'll take your advice. Over time, this can lead to obesity and other health problems. Diet sodas replace the sugar with artificial sweeteners. If you consume colas regularly, they can make you feel more nervous and keep you from sleeping well at night. Most of these colors and flavors are not natural. The acid in sodas interacts with stomach acid, slowing digestion and blocking nutrient absorption. Every year, Americans consume 170 liters of soda per person, and the British consume 100 liters of soda per person. When it is added to water, acid produces a sharp flavor. He is stronger and taller than most of his friends. R. A. I wonder what I can make with this plastic bottle. B. Lots of things. Why don't you try making a coin purse? A. Wow. That's a great idea. Maybe I'll try that. A. I heard April 22nd is Earth Day. What can we do to celebrate Earth Day? B. Why don't we use eco-friendly bags for one day? A. Great idea. A. I think global warming is a serious problem. As the world's surface temperature is rising, sea levels are rising with it. B. I really wonder what's causing global warming. A. Most scientists believe it's because of greenhouse gas emissions. To stop it, we have to use less gas and oil. B. I think we have to do something to help stop global warming. A. Why don't we try to conserve energy in our everyday lives, like turning off computers when they're not in use? B. That's a good idea. Something that belongs to me you go your way and I'll go mine. To dig large holes in the ground to get gold, coal, etc. The area has been mined for gold for nearly 10 years. The details of the place where someone lives or works. I was informed that her address was 552 Franklin Street. To discuss or deal with a particular problem or question, they formed a special team to address the issue. Insects, birds, and monkeys are responsible for much of this noise. This loss destroys the habitats for millions of species and has a major effect on the jungle's biodiversity. When it picks up the buzz of a saw, it would send a message to a ranger's cell phone. People contacted White and asked if they could use the device. People contacted White and said, "Can we use the device?" I asked him whether he knew about the new project. I said to him, "Do you know about the new project?" He attached a sensitive microphone to the cell phone so that it could detect chainsaw noise from up to 3 kilometers away. I turned my face so that he couldn't see my tears.